Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can take live photo or motion photo on a Samsung Galaxy phone's camera. Okay, let's get into it. First thing first, we can open our camera application, and after we have our camera application opened, we can click on this icon to activate the live photo or motion photo. If you don't have this icon on your Samsung Galaxy phone's camera, it means that you don't have the live photo feature or the motion photo feature. And if you have this feature, you just need to click on this icon to activate it. And now the motion photo has been turned on, and if you want to take the live photo or the motion photo, we just need to click on this button. I'm going to demonstrate it to you like this, guys, and we can move it. Okay, and now let's just take a look at the result. I'm going to open it. Okay, we can click on view motion photo to take a look at the result. All right. Okay guys, and that's how we can take live photo or motion photo with Samsung Galaxy phone's camera. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.